Good afternoon. My name is Joe Cashwell with Rotorcraft RC. Got a couple kits in front of us. It just seemed like we were just attacked with kit orders all of a sudden. Hey, I love it. I know when you have your own charger and your own power supply and you want a Rotorcraft charging case, you buy the kit, you put your own equipment in it, you save your money on your labor. It's a win-win. We still get to sell you something, you build it yourself. And especially when winter starts coming in, we sell a lot of kits because people are looking for something to do while it's cold outside. We're in Florida, doesn't get that cold, but still, you're always looking for something to do as a hobby, right? All right, we're going to start off with this one. The Nook 920 class case, 2 iCharger DX8s, our balance boards, squirrel cage fans, a USB. Went ahead and put a storage in the upper. Good, powerful, all-around case. You can charge 4 LiPos at the same time, up to 8S. Customer's going to be happy with this one. Another Nanok 920 class case. This is going to have a DX6. Now this one's a little different. This is going to have a large internal battery to run the case. It's not going to need a generator, so you don't see an IEC plug. We did install a digital voltmeter. What this does gives the customer the ability to see the current that he's drawing out of the battery and the voltage of the battery. He's got a switch that'll turn the case on and off because the battery is going to be constantly connected on the inside. But you can also turn this switch on and then charge through the mooch jacks. So when the case is being used, you can use the mooch jacks for external, or you can turn the case off and use the mooch jacks for charging the battery on the inside. Once again, our 6S balance boards, really nice case. This is clean. Awesome customer. It's an international client. Awesome customer to work with. Everything was via email. Time change was most of the problem. But really nice case. Once again, upper storage. And these are the Gen 2 storages where they're actually a little deeper on the inside to be able to put more product in. Now the next two are a couple smaller cases. Nanok 905 kit. This is going to have the ISDT P10 in it, which is a dual output charger, USB mooch. So if their local field has a solar charge station, they can actually run the case off the mooch or the internal power supply. So this is a good, happy little case. Not as powerful as the bigger ones, but it's got a Meanwell RSP 320 in it, so it's still voltage sensing. You could put 110, well, you could put any voltage in the world into it. Great little case. Customer's going to be really happy when they get to assemble this one. It's quick assembly. Now Genzace is making a little ACDC iMars charger. It's a cute little charger. It's not huge power, but it goes into a small case, and we now have a kit for it, and you basically take your charger and just pop it right in and plug it in. It's good to go. Because it's ACDC, you can just use a regular wall outlet to run it, and we don't have to put a power supply in here. Or to get the maximum power out of the charger, you put DC, which we can put a power supply in here to run it off of DC, or we can do a mooch jack to run it off of DC. When you put AC to it, it's not going to a power supply, it's going into the side of the charger. but we do have a version with a power supply in it, so the DC can be a little more powerful, and you get the maximum out of this. Cute little case. All you see is the controls and the screens to it. Literally takes the end user 5 minutes to put it in, plug 2 cords in, and then you put the deck screws in. It's done. I don't even think it'd take you 5 minutes, but this is a nice little kit that we're offering now. This one right here is in the dynamic line. The dynamic case line is when we make it out of the King Starboard. There's no vinyl on it. We do have the file also available in our design material with the carbon wrap on it, or the carbon vinyl wrap on it. You can get it either way in this one. Really nice little kit. I'm sure we're going to sell a couple of those things. We've already sold a couple of them. We'll be selling more. If you have any questions or comments, always text, email, message me, private message me on Facebook. We have a YouTube page. We're not that hard to get a hold of, and I always answer my emails unless I'm sleeping or in the shower. You probably didn't need to know that last one, but I gotta stay clean. Clean, you know, no stanky. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Rotorcraft RC, keeping you in charge. Let's start off with this one. This actually takes 2 of the iTarp airplane.